morning, children. Yesterday I have discussed the abnormal molecular masses, and in that context it was degree of dissociation discussed by me yesterday. Today I have discussed degree of association alpha and quantum factor I. Suppose n molecule of a substance A associates to form AN. It is okay. Means A molecules get associated to form capital AN, and alpha is the degree of association. Then we have to write here this equation. Initially number of mole of A were there, means at least 1 mole, and there was no existence of AN, but when this was at solute and solution were at equilibrium position, and alpha is the dissociation, alpha is the degree of dissociation. So initially this was 1 mole and product was 0 mole, but at equilibrium means remaining amount of this goes up to 1 minus alpha, and here since there is association, so alpha by n, number of moles, means at equilibrium the position between degree of association and mole will be alpha by n, and it remains as it is 1 minus alpha. So during association the number of moles observed will be less as initially number of moles are observed. So the total number of moles will be at equilibrium, consider 1 minus alpha plus alpha upon n, means this is the actual number of moles at equilibrium when the situation is of association, to show the abnormal molecular masses. So in this context the quantum factor I will be considered. I is equals to 1 minus alpha plus alpha upon n divided by 1, or we can say alpha dissociation association will be, degree of association will be quantum factor minus 1 upon 1 upon n minus 1, means this is the second equation you are getting. Means two different situations are there, either solute particles get dissociated or associated. Only the situation comes to show the abnormal molecular masses, and to correct in this case, when the abnormal molecular masses are to be seen, then to correct the colligative properties, what we have to implement in all the formulas, quantum factor. This is denoted by small I, means del TB, del TF, and every colligative formula is modified by using the quantum factor. Children, one more thing you have to remember, sometimes question comes from this part, means when quantum factor is more than 1, when the value of quantum factor is more than 1 for solute undergoing dissociation, means when the quantum factor is more than 1, you will consider the solute is undergoing to dissociation, and if the quantum factor is less than 1, then you consider solute undergoing to association. Children, in this second chapter we have gone through different type of solutions, solvent and solute. Few of the concepts regarding solutions. Then Henry's law, applications of Henry's law, Raoult's law for an ideal solution, then non-ideal solution, showing positive and negative deviation from the Raoult's law. And in this context, An essential topic was there as a terms, constant boiling liquid. So go through these topics carefully. After that, we have gone through the detailed discussion of the colligative properties, relative lowering of vapor pressure, and elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure, osmosis, reverse osmosis. Regarding this osmosis, the solutions isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic, and ultimately at very last the abnormal molecular masses either by dissociation or by association. Then there is a relation between association, I mean degree of association and degree of dissociation considered to be alpha and Volta factor. So relations I have developed by giving an example. Children, this much is enough in this chapter. This is the detail, but you do more practices for the numerical, and I shall also provide you one or two assignment papers regarding the chapter. By tomorrow we will start chapter 3 electrochemistry. Thank you. Have a nice day.